Hey y'all, so today I'm doing a DIY video on how to make a DIY Harry Potter t-shirt. So here I am with a black shirt I got from the men's department in Walmart, and I'm just ironing out the wrinkles and making sure that I have a nice flat surface to work with when I'm putting my image down on the t-shirt. This t-shirt was like $5 at Walmart. I got it in a size small in the men's department. So yeah, I'm just ironing the t-shirt to get all the wrinkles out. And then here I am taking a bottle of bleach, a spray bottle that I poured bleach inside to give it that distressed look. So I sprayed the t-shirt with the bleach, and as you can tell, it instantly changed colors. It gives it like a burnt orange or scarlet red tint, but once it actually dries, it actually gets lighter than that. But please be careful when using bleach, because you don't want to bleach things that you do not want to bleach, so just be careful with the bleach. So yeah, so I was happy with how it came out. Here's the fabric transfer that I used. I got it from Walmart. It was $10. This one actually comes with paper that you can use on light color shirts and dark color shirts. I highly recommend to use the paper with the dark colored shirts, because your image comes out a lot better and it looks a lot better once you iron the image onto the t-shirt. And so here I am feeding that paper into my printer. I actually struggle with this, so it took me a minute to get it into the actual printer. Yeah, I don't know why I was having issues, but yeah. And here I am just setting it up, and I am at my computer. I had already had the image that I wanted. I just put it on a Word document, made it bigger, and then I printed the image out. And here I am printing the image. This printer has really good quality. I love the way the image looked once it came out, so I was very happy with the quality of the image. And then I also cut around all the whites, the white part out, so I didn't want to have that on my shirt. And so here I am peeling the actual image off of the backing of the paper. And so here I am straightening the t-shirt out, and I'm trying to figure out where I want to place the image. Now, keep in mind, this is supposed to be a distressed look, so your image doesn't really have to be straight, which in my opinion, I think it looks a little bit better if it's not as straight. But whatever you like, then please do that. But yeah, so I just kind of played with it a little bit. Once I got to where I wanted it to be, I just placed my iron on it and applied the heat and pressure to get the image to stick to the t-shirt. And so here I am wearing the t-shirt. So it's very simple. Took me about 10 minutes. Super cute, cheap, and fun to make. So thanks.